Hello and welcome to this video of number 72 Walmer Road here in North Woodley. So what we have is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house here. It's in a location which is predominantly detached houses. I'm going to start by just giving you an idea of the location. It's a very quiet road, as you can see. I'm actually standing in the middle of the road at the moment, so it just demonstrates just how quiet the road is. Let me just pan round the other way and give you an idea just how nice the location of this house is. So now to the property itself. The front garden, as you can see, decent size. Driveway there. In fact, the garden looks like it would provide the ability to widen the driveway and make more parking if you wanted. Let's show you the garage. I've actually got the door open and quite handy to see there is actually a car in the garage. Let's point upwards here so that above the car you can see the size. There's the roof space and you can see there's a door taking you straight into the rear garden. Okay, now to the property itself, into the entrance hall. Quite nice with this property because the layout is such that the entrance hall gives you access to all the ground floor rooms. To the left here is the kitchen, ahead of me is the lounge diner, and then we have the staircase, and then the downstairs WC, the cloakroom. Let's start by showing you this. There's the low-level WC. There is a window in this room. In fact, the windows throughout are UPVC double glazed sealed units. I'm just going to step in and turn around and show you the sink unit there. So that's the low-level WC. Now let's show you the lounge dining room. So this is literally at the back of the house, full width. There's the dining area, plenty of space for a dining table and chairs. And the lounge area, in fact, it's not really being utilised at the moment, the full size. As you can see, the sofa there is very much in the middle of the room, but that lounge area is certainly a lot bigger than it might appear. There is a very deep built-in cupboard there, which takes you under the stairs. Got a rear aspect window, and also here the French doors, again UPVC double glazed sealed units. Just a quick view of the rear garden there to show just how nice the garden is. I'll show you that in more detail at the end of the tour. Let's now make our way back into the hallway and I'll show you the kitchen. So this is obviously at the front. So the sink unit on the left under the window there. More work surface space there and eye-level units, as you can see. Fridge freezer space is in fact just tucked in here behind the door. And front aspect window. Let's just give you an idea of the view out of the window to the front. Very pleasant, as you can see, a good sized garden there. Really quite a nice view, to be honest. So that's the kitchen. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. So I'm on the landing. Ahead of me there is the built-in airing cupboard. And I'm just going to point upwards because we have access to the loft space there. So 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's start by showing you the front bedroom here. Luckily we have a double bed in situ, so that just gives you an idea of the size of the room. To the left hand side there you can see we've got space for a chest of drawers. There's the front aspect window with a radiator underneath it. To the right hand side we've got a freestanding triple wardrobe just sat here. So that's one of the bedrooms. This is another double room here at the back. This one looks like it might actually be the larger of the two. Got a rear aspect window again with a radiator underneath. And then next door to that bedroom is the 3rd bedroom, which is here. It's a single room, as you can see, and again there is a single bed in the room here, so it just gives you an idea of the size. It's by no means what we call a box room. A lot of 3-bedroom properties have the 3rd bedroom as a box room, but this is definitely a bedroom. Okay, so that's the 3 bedrooms. And then over here we have the bathroom. Now this has been fully tiled. It's a white suite, as you can see. We've got the low level WC, the pedestal wash basin. There's the radiator there. The window is an opaque design, being the bathroom. And if I step into the room and turn around, you can see we've got a P-shaped bath. There is a shower end. And then I'll just lean in here, point upwards and show you the shower. As I said, fully tiled walls. And back onto the landing, and now out to the rear garden. Through these double doors into the garden, which is all fenced in. We've got a few bushes, laid mainly to lawn. Quite private because the house at the back there is side on. Just around to the right hand side here, we've got the garage. There's the rear door taking you into the garage. And now we'll finish the tour by showing you the rear garden again. So if you have any questions, please do contact us. The number's on the website. My name is Gary. Do ask for me. Alternatively, it's the same telephone number for you to arrange a viewing appointment. Just remains to say thank you for watching.